Welcome to our exciting fall training event happening Thursday through Saturday, October 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 2025 from 9:30 to 1:30 each day. This is your opportunity to combine professional development with a refreshing getaway at the beautiful Brunswick Plantation Golf Resort. Don't wait, as their units do sell out quickly, so be sure to book early. Over these 3 inspiring days, you'll experience hands-on workshops and on-site training led by certified master trainers. This session will guide you through programs designed to help you take your career to the next level. Both an indoor and outdoor pool option is available. Now, let's take a closer look at what's on the agenda in terms of workshops. Fun with Function fitness programming for seniors will utilize a variety of properties and protection of the water to support independence, health, and activity for today's older adults. You'll learn simple movement, then progress to performance functional exercises that make daily living easier, all while putting the fun back into function. Common Movement Disorders Workshop will provide participants living with conditions such as Parkinson's, multiple sclerosis, stroke, and other neuromuscular challenges a way to improve their balance, strength, and mobility with water exercise. This training blends theory with hands-on practical pool practice that will help people move in the water for a better life on land. Mind-body training will blend yoga, Pilates, Tai Chi, and more active stretching into your water exercise routine. Discover how mindful, flowing movements will enhance your posture, breathing, core stability, flexibility, and overall well-being. Water walking is one of the most popular programs because walking is the #1 functional activity of daily living. Everyone needs to improve gait, posture, and balance through walking training, and the added benefits is your core training and lower body strengthening. This program benefits everyone from recreational participants to competitive athletes. Awesome Abdominals Workshop is where you'll discover effective and creative core training techniques. Learn how to target all your abdominal muscles, or finally known as your supportive corset, to help maintain a better back. Whether you're looking to earn continuing education course hours, certify or recertify, or simply expand your aquatic fitness skills, this training event is the perfect place to learn, grow, and connect. Everyone is welcome, so join us this October for a specialized learning experience at Brunswick Plantation and Golf Resort. We'll see you in the pool.